The best Apple Watch apps for cycling. We round up the top app options to keep track of your bike rides. The Apple Watch may receiving a lot of praise for growing to become a great run tracking companion and for jumping in the pool, but the onboard GPS means it's also equipped to track your outdoor rides. It's also fit to do the same for indoor cycling sessions too. You can rely on Apple's own workout app to take care of that cycle tracking, or delve into the Apple App Store for a dedicated app that might well do a much better job of it. You'll likely find access to richer cycling stats, training plans and analysis to get a better sense of your performance. Some of these Apple Watch cycling apps can work without the iPhone, while some will still rely on having that smartphone nearby. Ultimately though, the improvements Apple has made to its smartwatch has made it better suited to strapping it on when you jump in the saddle. Even the latest watchOS software update brought big cycling features in the way of building cycling directions into the watch's mapping app. We've been spent a fair amount of time getting to know what Apple's smartwatches like to take out on the road, and pick the best cycling apps that we think take full advantage of the Apple Watch. Whether you've got an Apple Watch Series 6, SE or Series 3, read on for top cycling apps for the Apple Watch. Cyclemeter. If you're big on cycling stats, then Cyclemeter is the app you want knocking around on your Apple Watch. In total, you can configure your pages to track more than 200 metrics, which include everything involving your power, speed, heart rate, cycling cadence and more. It can lean on your iPhone to provide ascent and descent data for hilly rides. It'll let you share your live location with family and friends if you're riding solo, and supports GPX, TCX, FIT, KML, and CSV file formats if you want to export your ride data. The comprehensive dive into your ride doesn't end on the wrist, either. Once you branch things out to the companion app, everything tracked on your Apple Watch is amplified, and can even be backed up by the likes of training plans and route planning. All in all, this is one of the more complete cycling apps for the Apple Watch currently available, and certainly one that cyclists who crave detail will love. It's free to download, though subscribing to the Elite version you'll get access to weather recording, Google Maps support and dashboards to look back at.